Well, here's my new friend. He really enjoys it too. He just got all his pollen off of him. There was a plant that was wet kinda, and he didn't like it, or he or she didn't like it. So we're gonna make sure he gets some more pollen. It needs some pollen, ain't that right, kiddo? Hold on, you're running. Oh, he ran. Come on. Yeah, it just comes back to me every time it's finished with the flower, because its right side wing isn't working correctly, and it's kinda clumsy when it comes to crawling. I'll put him over here like this, or her. So you gotta be careful. You can't squeeze them or they will sting you. Put him in the sun, or her in the sun, and it enjoys that. Oh, watch this. Yeah, we'll just take it out here, put it on one of its flowers, and I think it enjoys it. Yeah, I'm just giving it the option to get some more pollen. See this? This is how God wants us to become, helping even the smallest creature. So, stand by. We're going to see if we can get him another flower. Just enjoying itself. Wonderful bees. I really enjoyed this, Lord. Come on, kiddo. Let's go to the next flower. You ready? Like I said, the right wing is kind of hurt, and it continually shows it to me. It's like showing me it can't fly. But I'm gonna help it get to its flower so it can eat some pollen. Come on, buddy. Yeah, we'll go get some more pollen. Yeah, that one seems like it's got more, huh? Okay, yeah. Maybe we'll sit there a while. It's a good sunning area. Yeah, that's awesome. It's fun, huh? Wonderful blessing.